Looking for your Venmo Litecoin wallet address to deposit LTC? Here's the key point. Venmo doesn't provide a public LTC wallet address for external deposits. Venmo operates as a custodial wallet, meaning they hold your crypto for you. You can buy, sell, and hold LTC within the Venmo app, but you can't deposit LTC from external wallets like Coinbase or Ledger. Keep in mind that as of 2026, over 10 million Venmo users engage in crypto activities, so there is plenty to do within the app. Venmo's decision to not allow external LTC deposits stems from its custodial approach, where the platform manages cryptocurrency on behalf of users. This custodial model is driven by regulatory compliance. Venmo adheres to Know Your Customer and anti-money laundering regulations by controlling deposits internally. By managing crypto directly, Venmo also enhances user security, significantly reducing the risk of hacks and unauthorized transfers compared to non-custodial wallets. In summary, Venmo prioritizes ease of use and security over full decentralization, aligning with post-2024 SEC guidelines that reinforce custodial policies. Instead of depositing LTC directly, you deposit US dollars into your Venmo account using a linked bank account or debit card. Then, you can use those dollars to purchase LTC within the app. Think of it as converting USD to LTC within Venmo's ecosystem. Remember, this is processed through Paxos Trust Company for compliance reasons, and Venmo acts as a custodial wallet managing your LTC securely. Venmo's LTC wallet operates as a custodial wallet. This means Venmo controls your private keys and manages all transactions on your behalf. This custodial approach offers convenience but limits your control. In contrast, non-custodial wallets give you complete ownership of your private keys and public addresses. Popular non-custodial wallets include software options like Exodus and hardware wallets like Ledger. These allow direct deposits and withdrawals using your own public addresses. Custodial wallets like Venmo prioritize ease of use, while non-custodial wallets offer greater security and control over your crypto assets. Venmo uses QR codes for payments and transfers within its ecosystem. However, these QR codes are for USD transactions, not for depositing LTC. Scanning a Venmo QR code won't let you receive LTC from an external wallet. It will initiate a USD transfer between Venmo users. Venmo uses a custodial wallet system, meaning the company holds your private keys and you cannot directly deposit or withdraw Litecoin from external sources. For direct control over your Litecoin, consider non-custodial wallets. These give you full ownership of your private keys and allow direct deposits and withdrawals. Software wallets like Exodus and Trust Wallet are mobile apps that provide easy access and user-friendly interfaces for managing Litecoin. Hardware wallets such as Ledger Nano X and Trezor offer maximum security by storing your keys offline, protecting against online threats. These non-custodial alternatives enable full control over your Litecoin, allowing direct deposits and withdrawals, and interaction with decentralized exchanges for trading and other crypto activities. While external LTC deposits aren't currently supported, the future may bring changes. PayPal's roadmap suggests potential blockchain-based transfers and integrations with other crypto services. However, full non-custodial access on Venmo remains unlikely due to regulatory and security considerations. To summarize, you can't find a Venmo LTC wallet address for external deposits. Venmo operates as a custodial service, managing your Litecoin on your behalf without providing public addresses for external transfers. This custodial approach means you can buy, sell, and hold LTC within the Venmo app using linked payment methods, but you don't have direct access to private keys or wallet addresses. For full control over your cryptocurrency and the ability to make external deposits, consider non-custodial wallet alternatives like software wallets or hardware devices. Always be aware of the risks associated with custodial wallets, such as reliance on the platform's security and potential regulatory changes. Do your own research and understand the fundamentals before investing in cryptocurrencies.